Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the 12th video of the first chapter, Arithmetic Progressions. In yesterday's class we had started a similar name. Let us continue with the same kind of problems even today. But yes, we'll have a little higher level problems in today's class. So the given AP is 5, that is A1. A2 is missing, A3 is missing, and A4 is given as 9.5 or 9 by 2. I am supposed to find out what is the value of A2 and A3 by making use of A1 and A4. So let me write what is given first. A is given as 5. Right? Then I also have the fourth value, which is A4 is equal to 9.5. Is that correct? Can I write A4 in its general form as A plus 3D? Right? Is equal to, now this is a mixed fraction. It has to be converted to proper fraction first. How do we convert this? Multiply 2 with 9. 2 9s are 18. Add 1 to it. 2 9s are 18 plus 1. 19 divided by 2. Multiply these two. Add 1 divided by the denominator. Now, can I put the value of A as 5 because that is given in the question? So, A will be taken as 5 plus 3D is equal to 19 by 2. Fine up to here. Now, 3D is equal to 19 by 2. Plus 5, when it goes on the other side, it becomes minus 5. 3d is equal to, you can take this as 5 by 1. 19 ones are 19, cross multiply, minus 2 5s are 10, divided by 2 ones are 2. 3d is equal to 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2. So this 3 is in multiplication, it becomes division on the other side. So you may think this like 3 by 1. And when you take 3 by 1 on the other side, it becomes 1 by 3 in division. So 3 was in multiplication, 3 has become division here. Then cancel 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So, right, so D is equal to, because I took that 3 there, I erased it. So 3 1s are 3 divided by 2 1s are 2 is remaining. Therefore, the value of D is 3 by 2. You are now supposed to find out the two other values, which is A2 and A3. The value of A2 in general form can be given by A plus D. A, according to the given question, is 5 plus the value of D is 3 by 2. How do you simplify this? You can take as divided by 1 and then 5 2s are 10 plus 1 3s are 3 divided by 1 2s are 2. So 10 plus 3 is 13 by 2 is the value of A2. 13 by 2. Next, A3 you should find out. A3 is A plus 2D. The value of A is 5 plus 2 into the value of D is 3 by 2. So you can cancel this 2 and 2. What is remaining is 5 plus 3 and 5 plus 3 is 8. Therefore the value of A3 will be 8. So these are the two values that we were supposed to find out by making use of A1 as 5 and A4 as 9.5. Okay. Let us continue with the next the next problem. So what we can do here now is it's a little different way. So please understand it carefully, and then we'll try to do one question for homework so that you'll understand it in better form to do. So the question here is there's an empty box followed by 13 empty box and then 3. Okay. So in all other problems that we've done till now, you used to have the first value A, which you were making use of in the last value. But this is very different. Here A1, which is A is only missing, A2 is given as 13, A3 is missing and A4 will be 3. Let me write down whatever is given first. What is given? A2 is given as 13. Is that correct? And A4 is given as 3. Okay. So now let us convert both of them to their general forms. We are learning a very important method now. So please keep your concentration intact. A2 general form. So I am converting this. A2's general form will be A plus D. That will be equal to 13. Is that okay? Next, let me convert A4. A4's general form will be A plus 3D. That will be equal to 3. Okay. So this has become equation number 1. And this has become equation number 2. What I should do is, I should do now something called as elimination method. What is elimination method? you eliminate any one value A or D to get one more value. Means if you eliminate A, you will get D, or if you eliminate D, you will get A. This type of method is called as elimination method. You'll learn details of this method in a chapter called as pair of linear equation in two variables. Just learn the basics now. So whatever is our second equation, we'll always have to change the sign of the second equation of every term. What does it mean? Every term that we have here, the sign of every term should be changed. Now, if there is no sign before 8, means it was plus. Now that plus sign should be changed to minus. Now here the sign is plus, so this also has to be changed to minus. And here also if there is no sign, that plus sign should be changed to minus. No need of mentioning this plus, it's only for the explanation sake. So what we have to do here now is, we will have to eliminate the values which are same. Now A and A are same, right? So this is like plus A. Plus into minus is minus. So A minus A will be 0. Whenever anything is 0, you can directly cancel it. So plus A and minus A will get cancelled. Understanding? So this cancellation method is called as elimination method. I'll repeat, I converted both of the equations into their general forms. I called them as equation 1 and 2. For equation number 2, if the signs are plus, change them to minus. If it is minus, change it to plus. It depends on different equations. So now this is plus and minus, same quantities with plus and minus and can be directly cancelled. Now I have eliminated A or cancelled A. Let us see whatever is remaining. So this is plus and this is minus. Plus into minus is minus. So 3D, this is like 1D, no? So 3D minus 1D is 2D. And 3 is a greater number. You should always consider the new sign that you have taken. Forget about the old sign. So 3 has minus sign. 3 is bigger. That's why you should put minus 2D is equal to. So this can be taken as plus, no? Plus into minus is minus. And 13 minus 3 is 10. 13 is a greater number. It has plus sign. So no need to mention plus sign. Finally, D is equal to 10 into, this is multiplication. Don't get confused. Don't think of making this minus 2 on the other side as plus 2, because this is in multiplication. That's why this has to come here and become division. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So the value of D will be 5. The in denominator 1 is remaining, not required, but minus sign is remaining. Whenever we have minus sign remaining in the denominator, it always has to be shifted to the numerator. So we shift this minus sign to the numerator, the value becomes minus 5. So the value of D is minus 5. Now you should also find out the value of A, the first term. How do we do that? So I tell, put B is equal to minus 5, the value of D as minus 5, in any one equation. There are two equations, this one and this one. I can put it in any equation, the choice is mine. So I'll take the first equation. The first equation is A plus 1D can be written as D. A plus D is equal to 13. A plus, the value of D will be minus 5 is equal to 13. A plus into minus is minus 5 is equal to 13. A is equal to 13. Minus 5 on the other side becomes plus 5. A is equal to 13 plus 5 is 18. So the value of A is 18. A means first term, which is 18. Okay. Next is A3. A3 is given as A plus 2D according to the general form. The value of A is 18 plus 2 into the value of D is minus 5. 18 plus into minus is a minus. 2 5s are 10. And 18 minus 10 is 8. That is the value of A3. I hope you have understood this problem based on the same type by using elimination method. If you have not understood, please rewind the video, watch it, ask the doubts so that I can clear it. I'll give you one question, so please do try that as homework and let me know what answers you get. So the equation that I am going to give you is, there is a box 38. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. So I've got two values available. A2 is 38 and A6 is minus 22. So convert them into their general forms and then do elimination method, find out D, find out A, which is the first value, then find out A3, A4, A5 also by converting them to their general forms. Try this as homework. In case if you don't get, please let me know on the Google Classroom app that you're not understanding so that I can repeat this in one of the classes. Thank you.